Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another EDC video for you. And if you watched one of my last videos when I did the unboxing of all the stuff I bought from Smoky Mountain Knife Works, you saw that I got this multi-tool Leatherman Wave Plus. So I got the tool, I got the bit set, which is pretty tight in here, but I got the bit set, I got the bit extender, this case. I have a Olight i3T on there right now. But yeah, I got all those. Sheath, the bits, the extender, plus the Wave Plus. The only thing they didn't have was the pocket clip. And so I ordered it directly from Leatherman. And I just got it in. This is 934855 pocket clip and lanyard loop. Black. It's for the Surge, Wave, and Charge multi-tools. So this just a quick little video on putting this on. I'll be prepared for a longer video going over all this in more detail, but for now, there's the pocket clip, and then you get paperwork. There's the bit kit. Actually, does it tell you what each bit is? Yeah, it does. It tells you each of the bits, so that's cool. But let's get this out. I don't know if I can use this clip. I don't know if it'll fit in that sheath or not. And you can see this black oxide finishing. Gonna have to clean this up like I did the multi-tool. Get my fingers all black. In fact, let's wipe it off just a little. What I did with the multi-tool is I used Windex, paper towels, sprayed it, rubbed it, kept rubbing it. Yeah, see my fingers? See all the black off the towel. Here's the little lanyard clip. You can put this in, take it out, use it. However, I probably will not use that. So basically, where the file is, you look on the top, there's a gap, and you're supposed to be able to push in the lock button, and this is supposed to clip right in. Yeah, that's it. That was simple. How easy is it to take out? Yeah, that's easy. So if I don't want to carry it in the sheath, I want to carry my pocket, I can clip that in. Nice, looks like a nice, yeah, got good tension. Deep carry. So the thing with this is everything is so tight. Tight fitting that it is quite a pain see, one of these bits is catching. It's really, when I first got it, I couldn't even snap it. It's stretching out a little bit. So let's see if I can just keep that on. Well, it goes in. See if I can snap it. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to be able to keep the clip on it. Yeah, see how far it comes. But yeah, if I don't want to carry, the whole setup with the bits and the extender, I can just clip this in my pocket, and I can throw the bits in my lunchbox or my backpack or whatever, take it, but don't necessarily need all this stuff all the time. But yeah, I like that. Let's real quick check out the lanyard loop. So yeah, that clips in. So you got a bigger lanyard loop. There's a hidden lanyard. There's a hidden lanyard ring in the tool. I'll show you when we go over the whole tool. But yeah, the clip cost like $5 plus shipping, so it was like 10 bucks total. Not bad. But yeah, gives me another option, another way of carrying this. And the best multi-tool, it's going to be the one that you have with you. And different ways of carrying it. I got the sheath that came with this is a Mali compatible sheath. I got that on my little sling bag, so I can slip this in that sheath, carry it on the outside of my bag, carry this on my belt. Now I can clip it in my pocket. Yeah, so just gives me options on how to carry it. And I guess that's it for putting a clip on. But yeah, be on the lookout. I'll do a video, especially after I'm gonna use it for a while. I'll come back and I'll do a video on all the tools and everything and all the extras I got. But I guess that's it for now. As usual, you like this video, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below if you have the Wave Plus. What kind of sheath, pocket clip, how do you carry it? All that stuff. And I guess, oh yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And yeah, guess till the next video. Bye.